what's up, y'all? Trying to be a little quiet because I'm in the stand actually. Sitting in a ground blind tonight. Here's my view. Got my camera I'm going to record with. Feeder. And I spread corn out all around the feeder with this stuff right here. With that hog wild stuff, so. And I spread some out over here too. To be honest, the pictures haven't been, I just checked the game cam pictures and there hasn't been pigs here in the last like 5 days. I don't know if that's because I think they moved the cows on this section of the property, so I'm not sure. But it's pretty hot too. It's like 90 degrees right now. It's about 6:30 p.m. and deer have been coming around 7:30, and then the hogs, if they do come out in light, in shooting light, then it's like right at dark. So I'm just hoping that hog wild attracts something, and I'm able to see some hogs tonight and get a shot hopefully. Got my bow right here. And I got some new broadheads I'm trying to test out. And I'll go a little bit more into that in a little bit, but right now I'm just going to sit back, kind of cool down, because I got real hot moving around. I had to go back to the truck. I forgot my quiver with all my arrows in it, of course, so I'm going to sit back, relax, and enjoy this view right here. I got the feeder. There's a bunch of mesquites right here, then there's actually a pond right behind that. So I'm hoping if anything, maybe something comes to the water. A hog may come to the water and then smell this attractant I set out, so we'll see. But I'm gonna sit here in this Texas heat and see if hopefully we can get a pig down tonight.